It's snowing very lightly. We're in a winter storm warning. And we're very close to the rain-snow line, so there's a good chance this busts, but there's also a good chance we get a lot of snow. But I'll take a new video in the morning and see how much snow is on the ground. All right, update. It's been about 2 hours, and it is snowing some of the heaviest I've ever seen ever. I mean, this is insane right now. Like, this is 2 inches per hour type snow. Like, this is unbelievable. It is so beautiful. And to think we haven't seen any snow at all this winter, and now we're looking at this. Clouds are driving by. This is insane snow right now. All right, 8 a.m. update. It snowed a decent amount overnight. Got a ruler here. Measure it. And that's right at about the 4-inch line. Measure it in another place too to make sure that's accurate. Yeah, about 4 inches of snow. And it's still snowing. It's gonna keep snowing for about 8 hours, so we could hit about 7-8 inches. All right, 1 p.m. update. Get the ruler. This one's only at 5. We'll measure it in a couple different spots. Like 5.5. Yeah, a little bit over.